Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is the something. What is today? The 22nd of August. I've decided to go ahead and work until the 1st, which I don't like because I didn't want to work on Labor Day because that's lame. Can you see the troubles I'm having back there? Focus back here. I just want to get it clean. It's fine. It's all fine. Pop-Tart in my teeth. That's attractive. Are you guys enjoying the videos that are going up? Like, all the time? They're not good videos, but they're videos. There's dry skin in my eyebrow. That is not gonna work for me. I'm having so much troubles right now. Oh my god. Oh, look at the glow from that. Hi. Hello. I really need to wipe my teeth. Oh, look at that pimple. Not gonna pop him. He is in a bad spot. Oh my god, look at that hickey. Jesus Christ. It's so gross. I want to pop it. Isn't it raining anymore? So I can stop that. Turn that on for a second. I wish there was a place where I could, like, prop you up. Because, like, down here is weird. Down here is real weird. Because you don't stay up. It lays down. This angle doesn't work either. I don't know where to put you. Anyways, something's simple. Ew. I know I said I was gonna pop him, but he hurts. I need to get my eyebrows waxed again. But not this Friday the 23rd, but this coming Friday I'll be getting it. My hair colored. I just get waxed then. Which means I need to not screw with it. Which is difficult for me. This is actually a decent angle. I mean, you can see me. You can see the core. Gang gang.